Do you want to reduce waste, enrich your garden soil, and contribute to a sustainable lifestyle? Look no further than do-it-yourself composting. Composting is the process of breaking down organic materials like food scraps, yard waste, and paper into nutrient-rich soil amendment. It's nature's way of recycling, and you can do it right in your own backyard. To start your own compost pile, you'll need a few key ingredients: browns, greens, air, and water. Browns include items like dry leaves, straw, and shredded paper, while greens consist of kitchen scraps like fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and grass clippings. Layer these materials in a bin or heap, making sure to add some water to keep the pile moist and turning it occasionally to aerate it. The magic of composting happens thanks to microorganisms like bacteria and fungi that break down the organic matter. As they work, they generate heat, which helps accelerate the process. In a few months you'll have dark, crumbly compost that's full of beneficial nutrients for your plants. Composting not only reduces the amount of waste going to landfills, but also helps mitigate climate change by reducing methane emissions. Plus, it's a natural alternative to chemical fertilizers, promoting healthier soil and plants. There are different methods of composting to suit your space and lifestyle, from simple backyard piles to enclosed bins or tumblers for urban dwellers. And if you don't have outdoor space, vermicomposting, using worms to break down organic waste indoors, is a fantastic option. So, whether you're an avid gardener or just looking to reduce your environmental footprint, give do-it-yourself composting a try. It's a rewarding way to connect with nature, nurture your garden, and make a positive impact on the planet. Lastly, don't forget to follow me and hope you all have a great day.